beside you, respect them, and if they stand against you, defeat them. Dr. Aquaguard now comes with 7 Ayurvedic ingredients. Dr. Aquaguard is India's only water purifier which gives you pure water infused with the goodness of 7 Ayurvedic ingredients along with regular purified water. The company mentioned, hand-picked from farms of Kerala, these herbs and spices look tulsi, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, black pepper, cumin and ginger ensure every glass of water makes you feel fresh and hydrated, it added. Huge crowd seen at Delhi market amid rise in COVID-19 cases, a pic surfaces. Huge crowd was witnessed in Delhi's Sadar Bazaar area on Monday even as the national capital reported 7,749 COVID-19 cases on Sunday. Pictures have also surfaced online showing violations of COVID-19 guidelines with people failing to maintain physical distance. Earlier, long queues were also witnessed outside Rajiv Chowk metro station. Helicopter carrying heart for transplant crashes on US hospital roof. A video surfaces. A helicopter delivering a donated human heart crashed on the roof of the hospital in East Los Angeles. The pilot received minor injuries and 2 other people abroad didn't report any medical problems, an official said. The organ was rescued before a medical worker tripped and fell, dropping the heart. However, no damage was done to the organ. The world may be tired, but COVID-19 is not tired of us, said WHO chief. The WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom on Monday said, we might be tired of COVID-19, but it is not tired of us. He added, it preys on those weaker than us. It preys on other divisions too. There is no vaccine for poverty, hunger, climate change and inequality. He spoke from quarantine after coming in contact with some who tested COVID-19 positive. Scooby-Doo co-creator Ken Spears passes away at the age of 82. Ken Spears, the co-creator of the 1969 animated series Scooby-Doo Where Are You?, passed away at the age of 82 on Friday. His son Kevin Spears told Variety. Kevin stated that Ken died from complications related to Lewy body dementia. Ken will forever be remembered for his wit, his storytelling, his loyalty to family and strong work ethic, the Kevin said. Business during Diwali affected this year, said Maharashtra Transport Association. The Maharashtra State Goods and Passenger Transport Association has said that compared to previous year, this year's business is down by almost 50% ahead of Diwali festival due to COVID-19. We have many offers and discounts to attract customers, but the number is few. We are also taking all safety precautions according to the guidelines, President of the association said. Engineers develop robotic gripper that acts like elephant's trunk. The UNSW Sydney engineers have developed a soft fabric robotic gripper that acts like an elephant's trunk to grasp, pick up and release objects without breaking them. It also uses a thermally activated mechanism that changes its body from flexible to stiff and vice versa. This allows it to grasp and hold objects up to 220 times heavier than its mass. Those card bursting firecrackers can be jailed for up to 6 years, said Delhi minister. After NGT imposed a total ban on sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi NCR till November 30, Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Roy said if anyone in Delhi is caught bursting firecrackers in this duration, they can be sentenced to up to 6 years in jail. He stated that a fine of up to 1 lakh can also be imposed. People call for boycott of Amazon for selling home printed doormats. Hashtag boycott Amazon was trending on Twitter on Tuesday as people called for a boycott of Amazon for selling home printed doormats. Several people tweeted against Amazon with tweets like respect Hindu sentiments and is this for real? Has it become a trend to hurt the Hindu sentiments? The screenshots shared by users show the item was listed on Amazon's foreign website. Hyundai in talks to buy SoftBank's robot firm Boston Dynamics, said report. South Korean automaker Hyundai is reportedly in talks to buy robot maker Boston Dynamics from Japanese investment conglomerate SoftBank. The deal could be worth close to $1 billion as per reports. Boston Dynamics spun out of up to Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1990s and was bought by Google in 2013 until being sold to SoftBank in 2017. The albatross is the largest bird that can go years without landing. They spend their first 6 years of life flying over the ocean without even touching the ground. Japanese soldiers stayed hidden for 29 years after World War II ended, not knowing the war was over. An African wife left husband with 7 kids because of their poor condition. A tourist woman from Canada falls in love with the man, married him and adopted all the kids. Jails in Brazil reduced the sentences of their prisoners by 4 days, which is up to 48 days a year, for every book they read and write a report on it. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Disney were started in garages. Today they are collectively worth $4 trillion.